in making irregular appointments of officers who are purporting to be moving outside there, trying to say or to portray that this county assembly is divided and that there is another county assembly sitting elsewhere, Mr. Speaker. They purport to have a clerk somewhere, Mr. Speaker. They purport to have a secretariat, Mr. Speaker. This is sacrilegious, Mr. Speaker, to this assembly. I therefore, Mr. Speaker, want to say it's the right time these people went away because they are causing a lot of shame to this honorable house, Mr. Speaker. The rule of law has been thrown to the dogs, Mr. Speaker. And they are shaming these counter possibilities, Mr. Speaker. I therefore support, Mr. Speaker, the motion that the appointment of the two members is revoked, and I support Mr. Speaker. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
This is madness, Mr. Speaker. You cannot bring your brother's wife to work together in the same board. That is madness. Mr. Speaker, these people must go, and if the time we vet the new members, we must check thoroughly their former performance, how they have been working, and they should not be relatives serving this honorable house. Mr. Speaker, that one must be taken seriously. We want this honorable house to be honorable and not horrible, the way it has been under the former chairman. Mr. Speaker, they have gone ahead and recruited some members, a person by the name NYAMIRA. This board has recruited him to be a clerk out there. And I wonder, Mr. Speaker, whether we have two counties. We have one county called NYAMIRA, county of possibilities. We don't have Manga County, where the former speaker who was impeached is holding Barasas by the name of CONDEMN. Mr. Speaker, I am bitter over this, that these people recruited and appointed some of the staff who are serving them, which is unique. And I want to appreciate your statement, Mr. Speaker, that all those who are attending those CONDEMN process should be taken, action should be taken against them, and punishment should be seen the hardest time, Mr. Speaker. I want to support the motion, and within the shortest time, Mr. Speaker, can you pass a question so that we move ahead?
The assembly which is legitimate. Honorable Speaker, somebody from the push, somebody who has been sacked, somebody who has been removed from the roles by impeachment, holding a board meeting. I suppose these two people, Mugaru and the edit, could have attended because the purported channels, the purported documents are signed on behalf of the board. I don't know which other board can be than these two people who are refusing to attend to calls by the leadership of the assembly. Could be they are also sitting somewhere in the push. This country and this county has been treated with drama in the recent past, that somebody has gone as far as holding an assembly, purported assembly of NYAMIRA in a push or somewhere in a village, while taking Busa or a village Baraza, whatever it could have been, purporting to deliberate on behalf of the county assembly of NYAMIRA. Honorable Speaker, these two board members we are discussing today could also be holding village barazas in the form of board meetings and deliberating on behalf of the County Service Board of NYAMIRA. Honorable Speaker, as I sit,